flowers and trees are in bloom, you're dusting off those white pants and shoes, it's springtime. And that means spring cleaning. And while typically this means like doing yard work or sorting out your closets, there is a bigger part of your life that could probably use some decluttering, your digital life. I wanted to give you some tips on maybe how to Marie Kondo some of that digital life to release some of the tension when you open up your computer or your phone. It can be a daunting task, and you might not even know where to start. So I would like to give you some ideas on how to get started. So before you begin the decluttering process, it's best to pick a system of storage for your photos and documents. Cloud storage options include like Google Drive, Google Photos, Apple Cloud, or Dropbox. Pick one that works for you and then stick with it. It helps to pick one that works across all your devices so you can access files if you're looking for them on your phone or your computer. So before we jump into photos and documents, let's talk about your email. We are all inundated with emails. Some of us have more than 2 or 3 email accounts, and we are blasted with spam and shopping, solicitations. Sometimes the emails that are actually important can get lost. Most email platforms do a fairly good job in rooting out phishing or spam emails, but this tip I'm about to give you will change your life. You're going to create a filtered folder. Every email platform is a little different, but most are going to offer a way to set up specific folders to organize your emails. So create a new folder and name this folder filtered or something like that. Next, we're going to set up a rule that every email that has the word unsubscribe within the text of that email will go into that folder. Typically, under the settings area of your email platform, there's going to be either a filter or sometimes it's called rule area. So you're going to create a new filter or rule that says that every email that has the word unsubscribe in the body of the text, it's going to automatically move that email to the filtered folder. This is going to catch about 90% of non-important emails. Now, sometimes companies are sneaky and they try to get around this by saying things like, if you no longer wish to receive emails, click here, instead of the word unsubscribe. So when that happens, you might have to set up a specific rule or filter for just that one company. Now, from your filtered folder, you can easily see all of those emails all at once. Read the ones you want, or you can select all and delete. It's amazing. Here's a pic of my Yahoo email so you can kind of see what it might look like. If you're feeling froggy, you can create more rules or filters to send emails to specific folders that you create. Like all emails from Kate at Timewise go to the Kate at Timewise folder, etc. Bonus tip, iPhones offer a VIP option. So if you open an email on your iPhone and you want to be sure to not miss an email from a company or a specific person, you can make them a VIP from their contact record, and then it shows up in the VIP separate folder. With the inventions of smartphones, we now live our lives with an actual camera in our pockets 24/7. Photos can eat up a ton of storage on your phone. So having a cloud storage option becomes crucial here. Make sure your photos are going to your selected storage option, whether that's Google Photo, iCloud, or Dropbox. Like your email, create folders or albums for your photos. Trust me, it's easier to locate a specific photo if you know when and where you took that photo. I utilize albums like Spring Summer 2023 or Christmas 2022. Some of mine are people specific. You could create one for just the dog or something similar. Spend some time and get rid of your duplicate photos or ones with the eyes closed or bad shots. You're not going to use them, so why are you keeping them? Screenshots and selfies and videos also take up a boatload of storage space, so get rid of those. Documents are the same concept as with your photos. You set up folders to organize your docs. But if you're still keeping paper docs, shred, shred, shred. Identity breaches can cause up to $20,000 in damages on average. You don't need those check registers from 1998 or statements from last year. Most of the time, if you need a statement, that company can get you one, or you can download a new one online. As a client perk, we offer a shred event every year where you can drop off up to 3 bankers boxes of docs and we will shred them for you. And this year will be mid-April and is for current clients only. I'm a big fan of using family sharing as well. I use a shared family calendar with my husband and the kids, and apps like AnyList that everyone in the house can access. So if you're a smart home person who utilizes Siri or Alexa, I like AnyList because it works with both Siri and Alexa, as well as your desktop on your computer and through your phone app. If someone runs out of deodorant, they can just tell Siri or Alexa to add that deodorant to the shopping list. That list is accessible to everyone, and usually Siri or Alexa can tell you if deodorant has already been added to that list. AnyList also has a recipe area that you can upload a recipe directly from a website, which is super handy, and meal planning options. AnyList has a free option and also a $14.99 a year subscription option to share with the family. You can also gift a subscription. I use this daily. Now, there are a ton of other apps out there that do the exact same thing. So do some research and you can find one that works for you and your family. Family calendars are crucial if you have a lot of activities to organize. You can create a family calendar through Google or Apple. You invite who you want to share that calendar with, and it helps keep everybody on the same page. If they want to schedule something, they can see if there is anything going on with the family first. It's super handy. Here's some final tips for you. Number 1, take your time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just pick one area a month to kind of get the swing of it. Do photos one month and maybe emails the next. Number 2, set out time to declutter. Pick only like 10 or 15 minutes a day to go in and unsubscribe from those spam emails, delete your filtered emails, choose select all, delete them all at once. You're gonna feel so much better. Hopefully these tips have been super helpful, and if you want to chat more about what apps I use or some other ideas, feel free to give our office a call. Thanks for watching, everybody.